Good morning all. I am Dr.B.Angelin, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, working in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss the Agile Modeling under the Software Engineering. So Agile Modeling, the meaning of Agile is fit or versatile. Agile process model refers to a software development approach based on iterative development. Agile method break tasks into smaller iterations. Our parts do not directly involve long-term planning. The project scope and requirements are laid down at the beginning of the development process. It plans regarding the number of iterations, the durations, and the scope of each iterations are clearly defined in advance. Each iteration is considered as a short time frame in the Agile process model, which typically lasts from 1 to 4 weeks. The division of the entire project into smaller parts, it helps to minimize the project risk and to reduce the overall project delivery time requirements. Each iteration involves a team working through a full software development life cycle, including planning, requirement analysis, design, coding, and testing before a working product is demonstrated to the client. So in every model, based on client requirements and analysis, design, coding, and testing. Agile modeling, agile development methodology is, first of all, the brainstorm. Brainstorm means it is analyzing the particular product or project, and the design. The design is based on the project. The design will be designed. After that, based on design, the development process is developed. And the query assurance means the testing concept. And after that, deployment means it is the implementation. So in a agile development methodology is, so the analysis and designing and development and testing and implementation. So through the five methodology is including the agile modeling. Phases of agile modeling. The phases are 6 phases are in agile modeling. The first one is requirement gathering, and the second one is the design the requirements, and third one is constructions or iterations. The fourth one is testing or quality assurance. The fifth one is deployment, and the last one is feedback. So every model is in agile model, the requirements, the customer based requirements gathering, and based on the requirement the design will be designed. After that, the constructions will be goes, and the testing or quality assurance will be tested. After that, development. After completing the project, the feedback will be gathered. Phases of agile modeling. Requirements gathering. In this phase, the requirements, business opportunities, and plan the time and efforts needed to build the projects. Based on this information, the feedback will be collected. The design the requirements. The design is identified based on project and work with stakeholders to define the requirements, and can user diagram or high level UML unified modeling language diagrams to show the work of new features and show it will how the apply in existing system. Third one is constructions or iteration. When the team defines the requirements, the works begins. Designers and developers starts working on their project, which aims to deploy a working product. The product will undergo various stages of improvement, so it includes a simple or minimal functionality. Testing. In this phase, the quality assurance teams examines the product's performance and looks for the bug. Deployment. In this phase, the team issues a product for the user's work environment. The last one is a feedback. It releasing the product. The last step is feedback. In the team receives the feedbacks about the products and work through the feedback. So entire agile modeling, the requirements, design the requirements, construction iterations, then testing, deployment and feedback. Thank you.